Say hello. Hello. You see me, don't you? I'm coming out the door. Yeah. Yeah, don't you see me? I'm coming out, okay? I'm coming out. I'm not trying to spook you, okay? Go ahead and keep eating. Good boy or girl. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. You can eat some more. There you go. Good boy. Or girl. Sometimes you can't really tell what gender they are. Or at least I can't. Because I don't know what's... I didn't read my research on squirrels. You gonna let me come over? Huh? If I take one step forward, will you let me come over? Can I take another step? Yeah. He's a good little thing.